In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in AdsPower. If you want to make AdsPower easier to navigate in your preferred language, this is a quick setting to update, and the process only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, go to the AdsPower browser. Make sure you're on the main AdsPower interface before moving on. This is where you'll find the account and general settings needed for the language change. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. The overall process is still the same. Once you're inside AdsPower, click on your account. This is typically where personal preferences and platform settings are stored. Opening your account menu is the key step that gives you access to the language option. Take a second to look through the menu carefully so you don't miss it. After that, click on Language. This will open the list of available language options for the platform. If you're changing the language because the current one is difficult to read, just move slowly and focus on the account menu area, since that's where this option is located. Now choose your language from the list. Click the language you want to use, and AdsPower should update the interface accordingly. In most cases, the change applies right away, so you can immediately confirm whether the platform is now displaying in your selected language. If the update doesn't appear instantly, give the page a moment to refresh visually. In some cases, reopening the menu or waiting briefly can help you confirm that the new language has been applied. And that's all it takes to change the language in AdsPower. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make the platform much more comfortable to use, especially if you prefer working in a different language.